everyone! Ever caught yourself mindlessly scrolling through your phone, wasting time? What if I told you that you could turn that scrolling into earning, right from your phone? Yes, today, I'm diving into the best apps that can help you make money just by using your smartphone. Whether you're a freelancer or just looking to make some extra cash, these apps are worth checking out. First up, we have Swagbucks. This app pays you for completing simple tasks like taking surveys, watching videos, and even shopping online. The best part? You earn points for these activities, which you can then exchange for cash or gift cards. It's straightforward, and you can do it while watching TV. Next, let's talk about TaskRabbit. If you're good with handy tasks or errands, TaskRabbit connects you with people in your area who need help. Whether it's assembling furniture, grocery shopping, or even moving services, you can make decent money on your own schedule. Just sign up, set your rates, and you're good to go. For those who love capturing moments, Fope is a fantastic platform. This app allows you to upload your photos and sell them to popular brands and agencies. Every time someone buys your photo, you split the profits with Fope 50-50. It's a great way to monetize your photography hobby. Now, if you've got some unused space at your place, consider using an app like Airbnb. Yes, it's not just for full homes or apartments. If you have an extra room or even a couch, you can list it and start earning. It's pretty simple to use, and the earning potential is significant, depending on your location. Lastly, don't forget about Fiverr. This platform is ideal for freelancers who specialize in digital services like writing, graphic design, video editing, and more. You create your gig, set your prices, and people who need your services can hire you from anywhere in the world. It's a fantastic way to build a freelance career right from your phone. So there you have it. Whether it's taking surveys, doing small tasks, renting out space, selling photos, or offering your professional skills, there's an app out there that can help you make money. Why not turn your smartphone into a money-making machine? Start exploring these apps and see which ones work best for you. And who knows, what starts as a side hustle might even turn into a full-time gig. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more tips and tricks on how you can make the most out of technology. Catch you in the next one.